Hey guys, this is Prasant from Tech Answered and let's get started. So guys, in my last tutorial I explained you about tar command, which is basically a compression utility. Okay, so today we are going to learn about one more command which is called a gzip command. So it is also a very excellent compression utility, but it can be only used on files. Okay, it cannot be used on folders. In order to compress folders, in order to create a tarball, so we will use the tar command. But gzip can only operate on files. Say for example, okay. So we have so many files here. So let's see, we want to create a compressed version of this file one. Okay. So the command that I will simply run is gzip file one. Okay. So what it will do is that this command when I run, it will try to create a compressed version, that is a zipped version of this file, which is file one, and the name will be file1.gz. Okay. So let me run this command and you can see this file one will go into file1.gz after running this command. Okay. So now as you guys can see, the zip file is file1.gz. Okay. So gzip command is a very efficient utility for compression, but it can only act on files, it cannot act on folders. Okay, so be careful about that. So now like this I can zip many files at once. Okay, so the simple thing is I can simply copy this name, okay, and I can paste it here, and say I also want to do for file 2. Okay, so I will simply copy this also, okay, and I will paste it here. So these two files I want to create a zip. So the zip file that will get created will be called as file2.zip and new file.gz. Okay, so now let's see. So you see now new file.gz and file2.gz got created. Okay, so how to unzip means how to remove this from zip. Okay, so the command is gunzip. Okay, so gunzip, and again you have to just give the file name. Okay, so that will do the trick. So let's see, I put this here, I put this here, and then I put file one also because I want to to gunzip this also. Okay, so once I run this thing, now you can see file 1 is in its normal form, file 2 in its normal form, and new file in its normal form. Okay, so now guys, this was one by one. What if I try to combine two file into a third file? Okay, or combine two file into new zip. Okay, so what command I will use is this one. Okay, so I will simply use gzip, or it's even better. Okay, so I can just echo. Okay, so I can run this command echo file 1, okay, echo file 2, okay, and the output means echo what will happen if I just write echo file 1 file 2. Okay, so it will it will simply try to display on the terminal. Okay, it is trying to read this thing. Okay, file 1 file 2. Okay, so what I will do is that I will give the output of this thing to gzip command. Okay, so what happens if I do this thing? Okay, and I want to create this zip file with a new name called as new dot gz. Okay, so let's see what happens. So guys, now you can see new dot gz file got created. Okay, and it includes file 1 and file 2. Okay, so with this technique we still be able to have our files with us. Okay, and the those files will be compressed together in a new dot gz file. Okay, so this is the command. Okay, and what if you want to see how much is the compression ratio and what is the size when you are running gzip command? So the command is simple, gzip hyphen l followed by the file name, that is new.gz. So compressed 30, uncompressed 12, ratio 66.7%. Okay, so 66% is the compression ratio. So gzip hyphen l will do that. Okay, so guys, one command I explained was about tar command. Okay, and this is another command, but be aware that this command, okay, it will not work on a directory. So let's say I have a directory dir1, okay, and I try to gzip it. Okay, so it clearly says dir1 is a directory ignored. Okay, so it will not create any zip file for this directory. Okay, so that is the difference between gzip and tar command. Okay, now guys, this tutorial I also want to explain you some of the other commands which are very useful when you do basic Linux operations. Okay, so for example, first command is who am I. Okay, so it will tell you with what user account you have logged in. Okay, so if you have logged in with dmadmin, it is showing me dmadmin. Okay, then I also would want to show you is this command df-h. Okay, so df-h will do this thing. Okay, it will list all the file systems which are mounted on your Linux machines. Okay, so for example, we have this file system, okay, and it is mounted on root directory. Okay, then we have a temp file system, okay, it is mounted on the directory /dev/shl. Okay, so these are mount points. Okay, so if I say mounted on media cd-rom, so this is nothing but mount point. Okay, so this is my mount point. Okay, so what will happen next is that say this command, okay, if you run df-h, so df is disk file system -h is human readable format. Okay, means we can understand. So for example, if it is suppose we run simply df, okay, so if you run df command, it is showing you 1k blocks, okay, used, available, and it is not very clear what available size it is or something. Okay, but if you see this available here, it is 13 GB. Okay, so it is very clear to understand. That is the use of -h command. It makes any command as human readable. Okay, so now we can see use is 16%. Okay, available is 13 GB and total is 2.4 GB. Okay, sorry, used is 2.4 GB and total size is 16 GB. Okay, so this command will be very useful for you, df-h command. Okay, now let us imagine I am in this directory. So this is my present working directory and I want to know under which file system I am working right now. This is the list of all the file system that is available on my machine, but at the moment if I'm working under certain directory, I would like to know what is the file system in which I am working. Okay, so the command for that is df-h dot. Okay, so dot is again for current directory. Okay, so for current directory I am working inside this file system. Okay, so guys and professional guys, this is very useful in your server, in your environment where you want to check where you are working and what file system it is going to impact. Okay, so you can run this command and you can get to know the details. Okay, this command is only for listing file system in human readable format. It will not tell you how much size a particular folder or a file is occupying. Okay, so for that we use the command called as du. Du stands for disk usage. Okay, it will tell you out of say 16 GB how much disk used by some file or some folder. Okay, so let us understand how we will learn the du command. Okay, so here say for example, if I want to again du is disk usage -h is in human readable format, and let's say I want to know for this fdir. Okay, so I just paste this one. Okay, so the size of FDIR is 12 KB. Okay. Now this is only for a particular folder. In for any particular folder, you can run things like this, and it will show you the total content size, total use space. Okay, disk uses by the folder or a file. For example, if I want to know how much space it is consumed by my file, okay, file one, so I can simply write file one here. Okay, it told me that it is only using 4 kilobyte. Okay, and now if you want to list everything, okay, what is the total size used by this particular desktop directory. Okay, so I will just do star. Okay, star includes everything. Okay, so now you can see this is the thing. Okay, and guys, this command I have been using in my previous tutorials, but I thought an explanation is needed, so I'm just explaining you this thing. Okay, so df stands for file system and it is only used to check file system. Du stands for disk usage, and you can also check for any particular file or folder about their size. Okay, so this is df and du. Okay, then guys, there is another command. Say for example, these are some basic commands, so I just want to iterate it to you. Okay, so say for example, you want to see calendar on your machine, so you can just write command called as cal. Okay, and it will show you the calendar. If you want to see the date and time in your system, suppose someone has logged in and deleted something and you don't know the correct timing, how to verify the log, so you can run the date command. Okay, it will tell you this thing. Okay, now guys, also I want to see what is my display terminal in which I am working right now, so you can run the command echo $display. Okay, so currently I have no display terminal attached, so that is the reason it is showing like this. Okay, so guys, these were some of the basic commands. Okay, and in next tutorial I will explain you about some more commands, okay, such as stop command and its uses and other things. Okay, so stay tuned for that. Okay, and if you have any queries, any questions in doubt, please feel free to reach out to me and ask me in the comment section. If you like my attempt, please like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you guys, thank you so much.